video, I'm going to be showing you a new tool you guys can use to actually find trends. This works well with Redbubble as well as other print-on-demand sites such as Merch by Amazon. So if you're ready for this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you are new around here and you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you won't be missing out on any future videos as well as any information that could potentially help you to make some money online. And for those out there that may be looking for extra help, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I used to get my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. However, if you're someone that's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below as well. Okay, jumping into today's video, like I said, I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new tool. But before I do that, I just want to talk about a tool that I spoke about in the past. A lot of people have been telling me it's not working so well. So I want to go through that and then we'll go on to talking about this new tool I found as well as how to use this. Now, the old tool I'm going to be mentioning real quick is Bubble Trends. Now, I made a video speaking about this not too long ago, telling you guys to jump onto this to pretty much look through trends to see if there's anything you can find that you can create designs of. The whole point of mentioning this site to you guys was because it would show you the top 3 trending keywords for each letter going from A to Z, which would pretty much make life a lot easier for you guys when searching through things and trying to get ideas, in comparison to actually going onto Redbubble, going on the search bar and trying to find things, obviously by typing each letter going through A to Z. Now, one thing that's actually happened with this site is the fact that the information is not updating correctly anymore. For example, if we look at the top 3 keywords for A here, there's anything for Armuni, Among Us, like 5 times, which is crazy, and then Arc Invest. So they're the first 3 showing for A. Now, if we jump onto Redbubble and quickly have a look to see what comes up when we type A, you can see it's not that. So let me just quickly zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. So when I zoom in, you guys can see it's not that. So for A, we have Addicted to Paris, Asian Lives Matter, and Addicted to New York. These aren't the same 3 things as what we can see here. In the past, whatever was showing on Redbubble would be the information that would show up on Bubble Trends, and then you could pretty much just look through to get ideas to create your designs. But unfortunately, we can no longer do that. So it's now led to me having to make this video. I saw you guys mention this in the comments and I was like, I can't just leave you guys hanging. I can't just leave you with information that's not working as well as it once was. So I have an update for you guys. We have a new tool that I'm going to be talking about, and hopefully this one works a lot better for longer and you guys can actually use this tool to get new ideas. The name of this tool is Insight Factory. Now, just through looking on the side tabs, there's a few features. So there's a trending now features, 2,500 plus t-shirt niches, you got 1,500 plus pod mug niches, Redbubble trends, Redbubble popular tags, there's Etsy tag analyzer tutorials, you can upgrade and then support. Now, I'm not affiliated with this site in any way. I'm just mentioning it to you guys just as a free option you guys can use, especially when you're starting out and you're trying to get ideas. And the good thing about using the Redbubble trends section is the fact that once you click on it, firstly, you'll be shown very different ideas. You can go through them. It shows you whether it has a possible trademark or whether it doesn't have a possible trademark. But just to make life easier for you, you can go right to the bottom, click on the drop down list and just click no trademark, and then you'll be shown only things that have no trademark. And then you can go in this section here and then you can actually choose how many results you want your niches to go up to. So for example, if we click on less than 500, it will only show you niches with less than 500 results, which is pretty cool if you ask me. And there's a little bar here that indicates obviously how good the niche is. So if it's blue, it means the niches are fairly low, but if it's green, it means the niche has very, very low competition, which is something you guys can actually go off. One thing I like about this is the fact that you can come across niches that you wouldn't have come across before. But one thing I don't like about this site is the fact that some things pop up showing no trademark, but it could be like a name of a celebrity. If it's a name of a celebrity, I would say stay away from anything like that. Just be looking for keywords that are in relation to niches. That's so general niches. Don't be looking for people's names when you're using this. Just be looking for niches that you can work off of. So maybe, for example, you could find yourself a sub niche of the pet niche, and it could be like world's best pet owner. Something like that would be something you guys could create designs for easily, and you'd know that there's low competition going off this. Another thing you can do as well to just make life easier for yourself, guys, is to change the entries. You can change them from 10 to 100. That way on one page, there's a lot of entries that you can actually look through to make life easier for yourself. And yeah, as you can imagine, in terms of trying to find niches with low competition on Redbubble, it's a very good site to use in terms of giving you guys an idea of what you can work with. For those that might want to use this with merch by Amazon, just to get a snippet into some things that might potentially be doing well, especially with t-shirts, if you click on the option that says 2,500 plus t-shirt niches, you'll be given some ideas of t-shirt keywords that are doing well. And if you want to be creative, you can maybe go into those and create designs for them. And finally, just going on the trending now section, if you click this, t-shirts will pop up and you can literally just look through these t-shirts to see what's performing well through Amazon. It shows you the bestseller rank, and it also shows you whether the t-shirt is in demand right now or not. It's not as powerful as tools like Merch Informer, but as a free option, it's something that could give people that are newbies a good insight into obviously what could potentially get them sales, especially when you're starting up. So yeah, definitely check this out, guys. Let me know what you think of it, and if you have any problems with this site as well, also come back to this video, let me know down in the comment section as well, because if it ever gets to that point in the future, I can always find something else for you guys and make another update video. But yeah, I thought it would be a pretty cool site to share with you guys because there's a lot going on here. There's a lot you guys can obviously work with. I've actually made a lot of different videos covering a lot of different tools, so check them out if you haven't already. I'll link some down in the description. If you yourself know of any tools that can be helpful for others watching this video, share them down in the comment section. Get talking to each other, guys. At the end of the day, we are a community. Please do drop a like on this video if you found it useful, as that would be very much appreciated. And for anyone that's made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down tools to success, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.